Deep in the heart of the wilderness, where raw nature meets human innovation, lies a fascinating duel of dominance. Picture this: monstrous wood splitters tearing through massive logs with power so intense you'll feel the vibrations through your screen. These behemoths transform the toughest challenges into effortless displays of strength and precision. But what separates the machines that conquer from those that crumble under pressure? Stay tuned as we unveil the most extreme wood splitters in the world, showcasing engineering mastery like you've never seen before. Ready to witness the thrill? Let's dive in. Behold the magnificent STI-HL 500i in action, a true marvel of modern engineering that's revolutionizing the forestry industry. With its electronically controlled fuel injection system, this powerhouse delivers an astonishing power-to-weight ratio that must be seen to be believed. Watch as it attacks massive tree trunks with surgical precision, the razor-sharp chain slicing through hardwood as if it were butter. The operator wields this mechanical beast with impressive control, demonstrating years of experience in the perfect placement of each cut. What makes the 500i truly exceptional is how it maintains optimal performance regardless of altitude or temperature, making it the professional's choice in any environment. Notice how the sawdust sprays in a perfect arc, a testament to the engine's consistent power delivery that never falters even under the heaviest loads. Felling trees becomes an art form with this chainsaw, transforming what was once back-breaking labor into a display of technological prowess and human skill working in perfect harmony. Dominating the landscape like a mechanical predator, the Komatsu 911 harvester showcases why it remains the undisputed king of modern logging machinery. This marvel of Swedish engineering boasts a 251 horsepower engine that purrs with controlled aggression as it maneuvers through dense forest with surprising agility. Observe its articulated arm extending with fluid precision, grasping each trunk with hydraulic claws that can handle trees up to 28 inches in diameter. The computerized cutting system calculates the optimal cutting points in milliseconds, maximizing timber yield while minimizing waste, a perfect marriage of efficiency and sustainability. With its climate-controlled cabin and ergonomic controls, operators can work tirelessly for hours, protected from the elements while maintaining peak productivity. The 911's advanced computer system automatically measures and sorts logs by size and quality, revolutionizing what was once a manual process requiring multiple workers and machines. What once took a crew of lumberjacks days to accomplish is now achieved by this single machine in mere hours, demonstrating how far forestry technology has evolved. Charging through untamed wilderness with raw determination, the Mack logging truck conquers terrain that would leave lesser vehicles stranded and broken. Its reinforced chassis flexes with the contours of the forest floor, absorbing punishment that would cripple standard commercial trucks. The massive diesel engine unleashes a symphony of controlled power, hauling loads exceeding 80,000 pounds up steep gradients that seem impossible to navigate. Notice how the custom-designed suspension system handles the uneven ground, keeping those precious timber loads secure despite the challenging conditions. The articulated trailer bed pivots precisely at each turn, allowing this mechanical behemoth to navigate narrow logging roads carved into mountainsides. Behind the wheel, skilled drivers blend intuition with technical expertise, reading the terrain ahead like a book while managing multiple gear shifts per minute. This is no ordinary transportation vehicle. It's a specialized tool that bridges the gap between harvest and mill, a crucial link in the timber supply chain that powers countless industries. In the heart of Heron, Norway stands a working testament to human ingenuity that has withstood the test of 5 centuries. A water-powered sawmill that continues to function as it did in the 1500s. The ancient water wheel groans as it catches the rushing stream, transforming fluid motion into mechanical force with elegant simplicity. Wooden gears, polished by generations of use, transfer power to massive saw blades that slice through timber with surprising efficiency despite their age. Master craftsmen maintain these historical mechanisms using techniques passed down through countless generations, preserving a technological heritage that predates the Industrial Revolution. Watch as the reciprocating blade moves with hypnotic rhythm, converting water power into precise cutting action without a single watt of electricity. This living museum demonstrates how our ancestors harnessed natural energy sources with remarkable creativity, achieving industrial-scale production without fossil fuels. The sawmill stands as proof that sustainable technology isn't always about innovation. Sometimes it's about remembering and honoring the ingenious solutions of our past. Feast your eyes on the unrivaled power of the Stihl MS-881, the largest production chainsaw in the world and the ultimate expression of cutting technology. This mechanical monster houses a staggering 121.6 cc engine that produces 8.6 horsepower, allowing it to drive chains exceeding 59 inches in length. Listen to the distinctive roar as the operator throttles up, the two-stroke power plant screaming with controlled fury as it prepares to tackle the impossible. The guide bar plunges into enormous logs that would stop lesser saws dead, the specially designed chain maintaining optimal cutting speed throughout the entire cut. Despite weighing nearly 22 pounds without cutting attachments, skilled operators wield this behemoth with surprising dexterity, positioning it for maximum efficiency. Watch the wood chips explode from the cut in a satisfying spray, a visual demonstration of the raw cutting power that makes this saw the go-to tool for the most demanding timber operations. From massive redwoods to ancient oaks, no tree stands a chance against this mechanical marvel that represents the pinnacle of handheld cutting technology. Marvel at this industrial giant, a 56-inch circular saw that transforms entire logs into precision lumber with breathtaking efficiency. 5 decades old and still performing flawlessly, this mechanical masterpiece exemplifies the durability of classic American manufacturing. The massive blade spins at precisely calculated speeds, creating the perfect balance between cutting aggression and smooth finish quality. Industrial-grade motors drive the system with unwavering torque, maintaining consistent power even when encountering knots and density variations within the timber. Notice the elaborate feed system that positions each log perfectly, ensuring maximum yield and minimizing waste through computer-controlled adjustments. The operator monitors multiple parameters simultaneously, making split-second decisions that determine the difference between profitable precision and costly errors. This 50-year-old technological wonder continues to outperform many modern alternatives, demonstrating that sometimes engineering brilliance achieves a level of perfection that remains unchallenged by time. Witness the ingenious application of agricultural machinery as this gardener repurposes a standard tractor into a specialized stump removal system. By utilizing the tractor's hydraulic power takeoff, they've created a cost-effective alternative to dedicated stump grinders that cost thousands more. The modified attachment spins with relentless determination, grinding away layers of hardwood and converting solid stumps into useful mulch in minutes. This demonstration showcases how creative problem-solving can transform ordinary equipment into specialized tools, saving both time and money. The operator carefully maneuvers the tractor with precision movements, ensuring complete removal without damaging surrounding landscape features. What would normally require hours of back-breaking manual labor with axes and shovels is accomplished in mere minutes through this clever mechanical solution. This practical approach to stump removal represents the quintessential spirit of innovation that characterizes true masters of their craft, finding efficient solutions with available resources.